Hey YouTubers, this is my very first bike check. I'm still getting my freecoaster for my back tire, but yes, it might be an Odessi. It's pretty sweet. I went with white and purple stem, white handlebars, purple grips, purple rims, white fork, white body, white cranks. I ordered a purple pedals, so I got my purple pedals. Then I got a purple sprocket coming in. Right now I got black. I am riding brakeless. I don't know why I like to do that. I just do. And stay tuned for another bike check of when I get my purple sprocket and freecoaster. Thanks.